What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be opening some more mystery Grail Funko Pop mystery boxes. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be opening some more mystery Grail mystery boxes. I have two of them. A little bit about these boxes. There are 750 boxes in this run of mystery boxes. I paid $19 per box shipped, so $38 for both of these shipped to my house. There are some small, medium, and big boy Grails in here, so let's go over some that we would actually like to get in this mystery box. Starting off on the lower tier of the Grails, I really would like to get that Hound from the Game of Thrones. That would be a really good addition to my Game of Thrones collection. I do have a fair bit of Game of Thrones. They've came down in price a little bit, so yeah, I'd be interested in picking up more Game of Thrones. I wouldn't mind that Minato chase for my cousin James. He's a huge Naruto fan, so that would be a pretty good one to get in this box as well, because I know he would really appreciate that, and anything to help out a collector. Okay, I see some of those Sam and Dean Supernatural Pops. I'd definitely get those in the collection. I know Ricky's a big fan of Supernatural. I'm a huge fan of Supernatural. Actually, I was the first fan of Supernatural before Ricky was. She actually saw me watching this show. She's like, what are you watching? This looks dumb. And, you know, years later, she's like a fan. She's watched every single episode multiple times, and she's finished the whole series, and I have not finished the series yet. Another one I wouldn't mind getting is the comic book guy from the Simpsons line. That's a really cool looking pop. Kind of relates, because I do collect comic books. I collect Pops, I collect Magic the Gathering cards, so it hits home where the collecting heart lives, you know what I mean? If you're a collector, you know you gotta have bags and boards, you gotta have pop protectors, you gotta have top loaders for your cards. I understand that, so I would definitely enjoy getting that comic book man. So the big boy on the medium-sized Grails would be the Tenya Pop. I'm a huge My Hero fan. I've got pretty much every single My Hero Pop except for those big boy Grails. I'm trying to save up for those, but I don't know. It's really hard to save whenever you have other things going on and other collecting things pop up. More Funko Pops pop up. You got to put your money down before they sell out. You understand what I'm talking about. The Tenya would be the number one in this spot. I'd really like to have that one in the collection. I think Ricky wouldn't mind having the Raven Pop from the 100. I believe she's actually watching the show again right now, so she would definitely like to have the Raven Pop. That'd be pretty cool. And the Vaporeon, she likes the Diamond collection, so that would be a definite must if she was to get that one. I would donate it to her because she likes the diamond collection stuff. She tries to collect all the diamond stuff, but sometimes it's kind of way out there and she can't have all the diamonds, but she's going to get everything that she can get. The last two, don't really have any in particular pop that I would really like to have out of those two, but any of those would definitely help out in the My Hero Grail department. I would either trade for or sell, you know, but if I had to have one, it would be the Freddy Funko as Doctor Strange. That looks pretty freaking sweet. Really like those. I really like how they do the mashups with the Freddy Funko and different characters, or you know, stuff like that. Those would be the ones I would like to get in this box. So enough yammering. Let's go ahead and open the mystery Grail box. Hopefully get one of the Grails that we talked about. That would be really, really sweet. I've not yet hit a Grail. I've hit a mystery, not a mystery box, but a gift card. I've won a gift card for $100. That was like the first initial box that I actually got, and I actually got this shirt too. So yeah, I wouldn't mind some more luck. I don't know what to say. Here we go, right there. All right, let's puncture that. All right, so in 3, 2, 1, bam. What did we get? Oh, okay, all right. It's not a Grail or even a small Grail, but I like it. I like it a lot. I actually think I have this one. All right, so it is Daryl from The Walking Dead. Looks really freaking sweet. There he is right there. the side, the back, the other side, and the front again. Pretty cool. I think I have this pop. I do already own this pop, so it'll definitely be going on my Whatnot. Check out the description for Whatnot stuff. I have a bunch of pops there. I think I have a few Pokemon cards there, but there it is right there. Daryl Dixon from The Walking Dead. Pretty cool pop, but I already own it. We do have the scratch and win ticket, and I already scratched it off, and I got 500 tokens. So more tokens. I need to get some more of those armor shield things, hard stacks that $7 pop makes, whatever. So I need to get those, and I did get 2 pieces of candy. We got one right there and one right there. All right, so let's move on to the next and final box. We have this last box to go through. We need a Grail. We need a Grail. All right. We have it there. All right, pop that up. 3, 2, 1, bam. There we go. What is it? Okay, not a Grail, but another one for the collection. There's the ticket. Alright, there's the Groot holiday right there. It's pretty freaking sweet. It is getting ready to be holiday season again, so this will, I guess, come in handy, or I'll just probably sell it. I don't know. Trade, don't know. Nobody wants this, but I'll see if anybody wants it. But if nobody wants it, I will put it out for Christmas. It looks pretty cool. I mean, look at this guy. He looks really freaking sweet. Who can deny that face? That's Groot. Oh yeah. Holiday Groot. Pretty cool. We got another ticket. Let me scratch it off really quick. And we got 2 more pieces of candy, same flavors. This time around we got 200 tokens. So 700 tokens this time around. Pretty cool. I think I'm like around 3,600 tokens total for my account. So hopefully I can redeem those at some point in time. I'm waiting for them to restock on the pop armor shield. I'm not sure what you call it. The hard stacks that they make. That's what I'm wanting to get, because I do have a few Grails that has been added to the collection, and I want to put them in it. So let's go ahead and check out the prices on these two and see if I made the money back. $19 back from the 2 pops. $38 is what we're shooting for, so let's see if we make our money back. Results are in, and Daryl Dixon comes in at a whopping $10. So he didn't make it to the $19 point that we wanted it to be at, so there it is right there. However, I did give it a $4 evaluation for the 500 tokens. So I'm not really sure how I evaluated the tokens last time, like the first initial time I did this, but I went ahead and gave it a $4 evaluation because it is 500 tokens. I think I gave a little bit more than I usually do, so I don't know what's going on there, but $14 this box was. So the next one is Groot. Groot came in at a whopping $8. Yeah, $8. So did not make the money back on this, or did not break even on this one right here. So I mean, I guess he's pretty cool nonetheless. He's a holiday pop. Wouldn't mind having him out for the holidays. I have a bunch of holiday pops, so that's pretty cool nonetheless, but he did not make it to the point that we wanted to be at, which was $19. So $9 total, because I got the 200 tickets, the evaluation, everything like that. So maybe I gave it a little bit more evaluation on a 500 token ticket. Either way you go about it, I kind of lost about $15 to $18 on this whole thing. So not too exciting, but more what I kind of expected. I never pulled the Grails, so either way you think about it, it was a fun video. I like opening a mystery box. You never know what you're going to get. You paid $19 for something, you may get something that's worth like $100. So I don't know. That is it for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you flock of collectors in the next one.